नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। Myself, JVN Dr. Priya Kapile, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jyoti Vidyapith, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take class on the topic, some of the local basti procedures. Basti means to retain for some time. So, local basti means retain of medicated oil in concerned part for prescribed time period. Here, an artificial pit is made with the help of Masha Kalka in a concerned local area of the body, and to this oil is added in a tolerable heat and temperature is maintained by replacing the cool oil with the hot one. It is allowed to be there for above 30 minutes. After the completion of procedure, oil and duff is taken out and mild massage is given. Kadi Basti, Janu Basti, Priva Basti and Uro Basti are the local Basti and is named based on the part where Basti is to be performed. First one is Kadi Basti. It is a type of local Snigdha Sveda where warm oil is kept at the Kadi Pradesha for a prescribed time period. The patient lies in prone position and the Kadi Pradesha is encircled with the thick black gram paste that is Masha Kalkapali. For the detection of the oil, it is an act effectively as it is applied at the site of lesion. This procedure is named according to the site of application. It is a Shamana procedure. Materials required: black gram flour, 250 grams, suitable oil 150 to 250 ml, vessel spray, spoon 1, cotton, quantity sufficient, hot water bath 1, attendant 1. Purva Karma, the black gram flour is well mixed and sufficient quantity of warm water into a thick paste. It is then made into a flat slab-like structure having length of about 45 to 60 centimeters, thickness of 3 centimeters and height of 5 centimeters. Steel or plastic ring can also be used. Patient should lie in a comfortable prone position exposing the cutting. The prepared duff is fixed to the area in circular shape, taking care not to cause any leakage of oil. Pradhana Karma, the oil should be warmed over the hot water bath and poured slowly inside the ring. Its temperature must be maintained at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius by replacing a small quantity after reheating. After the prescribed time, oil should be removed with the help of cotton. Paschat Karma, after removing the duff, the body part is cleaned with lukewarm water and the patient is allowed to take rest. Duration 30 minutes to 1 hour. Usually it is done for 7 days. Precautions: leakage is to be prevented by pasting the duff firmly over the area. Uniform temperature must be maintained throughout the procedure. Be cautious about the temperature of the oil while reheating to avoid burns. Complications and management: burns, stop the procedure and do Agni Dagda Prana Chikitsa. Next procedure is Janubasi. It is a practical modification of Snigdha Sveda where warm Sneha is allowed to stand over the knee area for a prescribed period of time. It can be used in Janushula caused by degenerative joint diseases but contraindicated in inflammatory conditions. It is named based on the site of application. Materials required: prescribed thyla 200 ml, black gram flour 500 grams, cotton ribbon 1, hot water quantity sufficient, vessels that is plate, glass tumbler, spoon and pan 4, razors 1, cotton quantity sufficient, towels 2, attendant 1. Procedure: Purva Karma. The black gram flour should be thoroughly mixed with hot water to make thick duff. 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour should be mixed with water loosely to form a paste. The thick duff should be shaped as above of 3 inches height, 1 inch width and length sufficient to form a ring around the required area. Usually it should be 30 centimeters for a medium-sized adult. The knee joint should be completely exposed and if site of the manipulation is hairy, then it must be shaved cleanly. The patient must be then allowed to lie comfortably over the cot in supine position. Such position is prescribed for Uras and in the name of Urovasti. If procedure is to be done in posterior part, the patient is made to lie on prone position. Pradhana Karma. The area of application should thoroughly clean and floor. Duff should be pasted over the line. marked around knee joint like a ring. It should be then reinforced by pressing and sealed properly by floor pasting to avoid leakage of the oil. In addition, the cotton ribbon should be pasted around the wall, completely closing the margin between the skin and the wall. This is then allowed to set properly. The oil should be warmed over the hot water bath, usually up to 38 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. The warm oil should be then poured uniformly into the bun constructed up to an extent that oil level stands up to 2 inches above the skin level. It should be allowed to remain there for prescribed time. The temperature of oil must be maintained throughout the procedure by taking some oil out using a cotton and replacing by same amount of warmed oil. Paschat Karma. After the prescribed time, complete oil should be removed and the area should be cleaned by wiping with a clean, dry cotton towel. The patient should be allowed to remain the same position for half hour. Precaution. Avoid excess heating of oil since it may cause burn. Place the bun well to avoid leakage. Do not move the joint during the procedure. Complications. Burns. Apply cold water and Sharadauda discomfort due to sitting for same posture for a long time. Make comfortable position with correct sized cushion and massage the areas. Griva Basti. It is performed in Griva Pradesha, the procedure in which warm medicated oil is retained inside the Mashapali in cervical region for a prescribed time period. Indication: cervical spondylosis, muscular skeletal skin neck problems, cervical spondylolisthesis, disc prolapse, ankylosing spondylitis. Contraindication: unable to lie in prone posture, acute inflammatory conditions. Materials required: black gram flour 250 grams, medicated oil 200 ml, vessels 2, spoon 1. Procedure: Purva Karma, preparation of basti. Mashapali is prepared by adding sufficient quantity of water. Prepare a round pit at the tender point of about 10 to 15 centimeter thickness of about 3 centimeter height of 5 centimeter. Oil is selected based on the disease condition. Preparation of patient. Client is made to lie in prone position by exposing the cervical part and prepare duffries fixing to the concerned area and ensure proper sealing to avoid leakage of the oil. Pradhana Karma. Prescribed oil is made warm to tolerable heat and then poured inside the pit along the sides of the duct. The temperature of the oil should be maintained at 40 to 48 degrees Celsius by replacing a smaller quantity after reheating. Paschat Karma. After removing of duct, mild massage should be given to the neck and shoulder with circular and linear strokes. Part is given Svedana with a towel dipped in hot water. Complications and management. Accidental burns. Stop the procedure and do Agni Dagda Chikitsa. Urobasti, also called as Hridaya or Hridbasti. Special treatment procedure which gives relief around the chest area. Here oil is retained within a pali of masha which is prepared around the chest area. It regulates vata dosha around the chest area, improves blood circulation, strengthens heart muscles, indicated in muscular chest pain, myocardial dystrophy, cardiomyopathy, rehabilitation from heart attacks with tachycardia, erythema, angina, etc. The procedure is same as rest of the Basti procedure. Thank you. Assignment: explain local Bastis with its indication. Next is best example of Ruksha Sweda. Option 1 Tapasveda. Next one is Pastara. Next Kuti and next Sangara Sweda. It is asked for Trivandrum examination 1991. Thank you. I hope you all had understand my digital session I had taken today. If you are having any queries, please mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.